Imagine an AI that predicts stock market trends, another AI that writes an entire novel from scratch. One is master of logic, other creative genius. But what happens when these two AI giants face off? In today's video, we will uncover Battle of Titans, deep learning versus generative AI. Who is more powerful? Who is shaping the future? And most importantly, which one will dominate AI? Stick around to find it out. Before we dive in, I know. It's been 2 months since I uploaded. But guess what? I'm back and this time I'm not going anywhere. Expect regular uploads filled with mind-blowing AI content. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button because we are about to go deep into AI like never before. AI is changing everything, our jobs, our entertainment, even the way we think. But do you know that not AI is the same? Two of the biggest AI breakthroughs are deep learning and generative AI. Deep learning, the brain of AI that analyzes data and predicts the future. Generative AI, the artist of AI that create text, images, and even music too. One is built for logic, other is built for creativity. But how exactly do they work? Let's break it down. Think of deep learning as a Sherlock Holmes of AI. It processes massive amount of data, finds a hidden pattern, make highly accurate prediction. How it works? It uses neural network inspired by human brains. It trains on used dataset to recognize the pattern. It improves over time using backpropagation. Real world applications are healthcare, self-driving car, and finance. Deep learning is powerful, but here's the twist: it does not create anything new. It can predict, but it cannot innovate. That's where generative AI enters in the game. Imagine an AI that can create best-selling novel, compose music, or even paint like Picasso. That is generative AI. How it works? Uses deep neural network to learn pattern from data. Instead of just predicting, it creates something new. Uses model like GANs or Transformer to generate high-quality content. Popular generative AI tools are ChatGPT and Bard, DALL-E or Mid-Journey, AI Music Composer. While deep learning helps AI to think, generative AI helps AI to imagine. But how they differ? While both are powered by neural network, but they serve very different purpose. Deep learning is all about understanding and predicting. It is the foundation of AI that powers search engines, medical diagnosis, and fraud detection. It relies on heavily labeled data and structured learning to become smarter over time. Generative AI, on the other hand, it is all about creation. Instead of just recognizing pattern, it generates something entirely new. Whether it is text, images, or music, it learns from a vast amount of data and function with minimal supervision. Think deep learning as the brain of AI and generative AI as its imagination. While one focus on precision, other focus on creativity. But here's the interesting part. Generative AI would not exist without deep learning. Deep learning serves as the backbone of generative AI. Models like GANs and transformers rely on deep learning techniques to function. For example, DALL-E needs deep learning to understand what image should look like. ChatGPT needs deep learning to process human language before generative responses. Rather being rivals, deep learning and generative AI work together to push AI forward. AI is already part of our daily life, whether we realize it or not. Deep learning powers medical AI, diagnoses diseases faster than doctor, finances, catching fraud before it happens. Generative AI fuels AI content creation, writing blogs, generating images, and even composing music. Virtual humans. Both technology are shaping industry at unbelievable pace. Deep learning excels at handling large datasets with accuracy, making complex decisions based on pattern, but it struggles with need huge amount of labeled data, high computing power requirements. Generative AI shines in creating new and unique content, working with minimal supervision, but it has drawbacks like generative biased or misleading information, lack of factual accuracy in some cases. Both have their strength and understanding the limitation is the key. Now, the big question is who wins the AI battle? The answer is both. Deep learning and generative AI are two sides of same coin. One gives AI ability to think, The other gives the power to create. The real magic happens when they work together. And that is a wrap up. If you learned something new today, drop a comment below. Are you more excited about deep learning or generative AI? Smash that like button, hit the subscribe, get ready for more mind blowing AI content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Happy learning, happy exploring.